Discover how you can build any wood project with confidence and in record time without a huge workshop or advanced skills. Many woodworkers face frustration due to incomplete and confusing plans that waste time, materials, and effort. Relying on vague blueprints and guesswork often leads to costly mistakes and disappointing results, making projects more stressful than enjoyable. In woodworking, clear and detailed plans are essential to guide you through every step. That's why thousands of craftsmen have turned to Ted's Woodworking, a comprehensive collection of 16,000 step-by-step plans covering a vast range of projects. With easy-to-follow instructions and detailed diagrams, you can confidently build everything from coffee tables and cabinets to outdoor sheds and backyard decks. Even if you've struggled with confusing plans before, Ted's Woodworking can help you create impressive projects. Click below to see how thousands are using these plans to complete their projects more efficiently. It's designed for all skill levels, from beginners to seasoned woodworkers. Imagine the satisfaction of using a reliable system that helps your projects turn out exactly as planned. Whether you're crafting intricate cabinetry or constructing a spacious deck, you'll save time and money by avoiding costly mistakes and making the most of your materials. This might not be the solution for everyone, but it's certainly worth exploring. Tap the Watch Now button below to see how Ted's Woodworking works and start bringing your dream projects to life today. Don't wait. Secure your access to 16,000 woodworking plans now and elevate your craftsmanship to the next level. Click the button below now to get instant access to 16,000 woodworking plans and start building your dream projects today.